If your SafeLink phone won't charge, start by checking the cable and port. Inspect the charging port for dust, lint, or bent pins that prevent proper connection. Clean the port carefully using compressed air or a soft brush to remove debris. Try a different charging cable that supports at least 5 watts output to rule out cable issues. If the cable or port is damaged, SafeLink may provide free replacement if you're eligible. Next, consider the battery. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, typically lasting 2 to 3 years. Try calibrating the battery by fully discharging it and then recharging completely. If calibration doesn't work, SafeLink covers battery replacement under warranty for phones under 2 years old. If the cable, port, and battery seem fine, the issue might be software related. Boot your SafeLink phone into safe mode. To do this, hold the power and volume down buttons during startup. Safe mode starts the phone with minimal apps, bypassing any third-party software that might be causing charging problems. If your phone charges normally in safe mode, uninstall any recently installed apps or perform a factory reset. As a safety tip, always use the OEM or SafeLink approved charger. Never use third-party chargers as they can cause overheating or even explosions. If these steps don't work, contact SafeLink support for further assistance or possible device replacement.